Welcome back. Tonight, continuing coverage on Washington County Solicitor who is facing criticism about his handling of DUI cases. Michael Howard told us this week he has dismissed roughly 80 DUI cases. He says those defendants instead received referral to a pretrial diversion program that he started in 2018. Now, the controversy started last month when the state court's judge sent Howard an email claiming he dismissed some DUI cases without the court's approval. Today, we spoke with the lawyer representing that judge, John Dana. Naomi Washington tells us more.
The issue is driving under the influence and how Washington County Solicitor is handling those cases. Ben Sessions is the lawyer for John Dana, the county state court judge. He sent us a May 13th email showing Dana reached out to Solicitor Michael Howard and County Public Defender Johnny Vines about DUI cases getting dismissed. Dana wrote that he's heard complaints of unfairness, ethical improprieties, and possible illicit activities. He added, "As a judge, I cannot ignore these allegations." Sessions says documents show that Howard mishandled cases.
He's dismissed multiple defendants who had a .20 BAC or higher. In Georgia, the legal limit is .08. So these defendants are 2.5 times legal limit. He dismisses their cases without them doing probation, community service, license suspension.
Meanwhile, Howard's lawyer Matthew Wilson says the State Judicial Qualifications Commission is looking into whether Dana acted improperly by starting his own investigation. Wilson says they're requesting a second investigation too.
We have actually called the prosecuting attorney's qualifications commission ourselves and asked them to come to Washington County and investigate Solicitor Howard because we're not afraid of what the results are going to show.
Sessions says people with connections could get cases dismissed while others couldn't.
There are regular people who don't have connections to politicians, who don't have money, who are not affluent, who get the results. It disproportionately affects the people who can least afford it.
Sessions says Howard dismissed a DUI charge against a driver who nearly killed a woman. He says the solicitor should have to answer for that case and others.
I heard him yesterday say, you know, they're harassing me online. He's blaming the very people who he has hurt for harassing him and telling the truth. We will continue to tell the truth. He needs to be held accountable.
Sessions says Judge Dana wants his name cleared because he did nothing wrong. He just wanted to investigate suspected corruption in his courtroom. In Washington County, Naomi Washington, 13 WMAZ News.
We reached out to the State Judicial Qualifications Commission, District Attorney Tripp Fitzner, about whether they have any open investigations in the matter. We have not heard back from Fitzner. The JQC says they cannot confirm whether or not they're investigating.